Hello my loves, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Now before we get into all the aesthetics and all the beautiful things I promised, I just want to say I am so thankful to have had this experience. If you are not aware, it's nationwide, so look up the Parade of Homes. They host one every year in October on the weekends. They're typically on Saturdays and Sundays from 12 to 5. At least that was the one that was in Richmond. Me and my aunt go every year, and I just love it so much because I firmly believe that sometimes we want things and you don't really know what that entails, or it feels so far, not even just not knowing what it entails, but it feels so far from your reach that you feel like you'll never touch it. And just to see all of those beautiful homes, like we walked in $1 million homes, and I was just like, my dreams one day. No, but it was so beautiful to just walk in and to see something that I might not ever reach. I'm not limiting myself, but the ability to walk into this home and to see it, it was an amazing experience. So I hope you guys really enjoy the stuff I put in. And you know, check it out for yourself, so next October when it comes around, you can see in your areas the homes that are being built, because it is real. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video, so just keep on watching. It's worth it. So see you later. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was so fun to film, and most importantly, it was fun to actually go and just surround myself with positive energy that this could be something that I could have one day. Look up in your local area if there is a parade of homes so that you can visit next year. And I guess I will just see you guys in my next video. So just make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I gotta go get my baby. I will see you in the next one. Bye.